Multiplying and dividing integers. Find the following product. The product is the answer to a multiplication problem. We want to multiply -3 to -9. To do this, we need to recall our multiplication rules for multiplying negative numbers. A negative times a negative equals a positive. So we'll multiply 3 times 9 together, which is 27. And a negative times a negative is a positive, so my answer is a positive 27. And again, we can write this as 27 or plus 27, using the plus sign as a positive sign. Both of these solutions are correct and will work when you enter them into my math lab. Find the following product, -9 times +3. Here we're multiplying a negative number times a positive number. When we have a negative times a positive, our solution will be a negative number. So 9 times 3 is 27, but a negative times a positive is a negative, so our answer is -27. Perform the following division. -45 divided by -3. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. So 45 divided by 3 is 15, and since we have a negative divided by a negative, we know that this is going to be a positive 15. Perform the following division, +42 divided by -6. A positive divided by a negative will result in a negative solution. So 42 divided by -6 is a -7. Perform the following calculation, -2 times -7 plus +5 times -6. We want to use the order of operations. This means that we'll do parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division, and then addition and subtraction in that order. And we can remember that order by memorizing the acronym PEMDAS. So I don't have any parentheses or exponents, so I'm going to perform multiplication. This means that I'll multiply -2 times -7, and that gives me a positive 14. Next, I'll multiply the +5 and the -6. A positive times a negative is a negative, so +5 times -6 is a -30. Next, I can add 14 plus a -30. And this equals -16. And you can do this on your calculator, or you can visualize the number line to help you get to this answer.